It's okay. I
Thought you were going to slide high five.
It's okay.
Talking about college with your parents is about as easy as swallowing a spoonful of hot sauce. And so is cooking a recipe you've never seen before. Watch as families tackle a new recipe and cook up a plan for college at the same time. This is College Prep Kitchen.
I'm a junior in high school, and I would love to go to a four-year college for musical theater.
We definitely talk about college. We talk about it a lot. She is clear that she needs to pay for some of her college.
I don't think it's too clear. My parents, for sure, they've set aside some money for my sister and I kind of found that out in a weird way of, watching my sister go through this process and them talking about it and me eavesdropping.
They know that they have some money put aside, but I don't think they really understand money. And so trying to let them understand that they will have to contribute and how much and what that means is probably the most difficult part. I think Nina is learning the hard way.
I definitely do try to set away some money for college, but also I do spend my money as well. I mean, I don't know what to do really, so having someone beside me and guiding me definitely is very, very helpful.
Do you guys have any idea what you're about to cook today?
Absolutely no idea.
We like to cook for holidays together. Christmas and Easter are big ones for us. We like Guatemalan food, we like Italian food.
All food.
All food.
Love all food.
So here's just lay of the land. You're gonna take one of our beautiful cards at a time. Each card has a direction to follow, a college question to answer, and just keep working through all of the cards until they're gone. Everything that you need is laid out in front of and behind you, so you can start by putting your aprons on and pick the first card when you're ready.
Follow my lead. Okay, pull a card, Neen. Have you two talked about college before? How have those conversations gone?
Well, we have talked about college before. Briefly, quickly. I think they've gone good. Yes.
We've talked about them a lot, actually, right? As you've been contemplating what you want to do, whether you go to dance or acting or your college.
Big chicken.
Big package of chicken. We're not used to a big pack of chicken. Who's paying for college, Neen?
Well, you have money set aside, so we'll use that money. Plus, hopefully, other money I make from my job.
Yeah, we have some money set aside. We're hoping for maybe some scholarships or grants, right? And then a college loan for the rest. Well, you certainly have some responsibility, right?
Yeah, it's a team effort.
Team effort. Do you want to do this cutting?
Sure.
That'd be nice.
Here goes my cutting skills.
And Nina, growing up, was having your parents pay for college an expectation that you had?
I don't even think I really thought about it. I think maybe that was the expectation always, just because I didn't really think
your
it
parents
was
pay for everything.
any different. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's probably a new realization, actually, isn't it?
Yeah.
That
Realizing
you
that,
have some responsibility in it.
Whew.
The onion's making you cry. Because honestly, we don't want you to be have debt that will take you into adulthood, right? We'd like for that to end maybe 5 or 10 years into after college. She's benefiting from the college search that Maya is on now. My eyes are watering from the onions too. So Nina's gone on a bunch of college tours, which has been wonderful.
Going to a bunch of different schools and understanding the environment or the people that go there has definitely helped me realize where I want to go without me trying to make a decision right now.
And maybe where you go also helps to determine the amount of money that you get.
Yeah.
It's good shopping.
Wow. Thank you. I'm a pro.
All stayed on the cutting board. Do you think that college is worth it?
I think it's worth it because you get to learn so many new things that you never did before, and you get opportunities that it was only once in a lifetime.
Yeah, I also think it helps you to learn about yourself, maybe your own desires, and be exposed to so many more things that you'll end up opening up a lot of doors and opportunities that you would never have thought about. Trade you.
Thank you.
Yeah, wait a minute, we forgot to measure out. Let's do our measuring before we pull that card.
College wasn't on the table. I'd probably do an internship somewhere, maybe at a local theater. It's something that I've always loved and like is in my heart. So I think if I wouldn't be able to study it in college, I'd study it maybe outside and, you know, really like start working within the industry, like right there.
College wasn't on the table. I would want Nina to get an internship somewhere, exactly what she said. She's been passionate about her craft since she was really very, very young, and I would be very disappointed if she didn't. So I would say if she didn't go right away to college, maybe to take a year off, but then to try again. Because for me, it is very important to do what you're passionate about.
Oh, it's not open.
Let's put that in the pan. I think that would be a good idea, Nina. What excites you about the college process?
Oh, well, there's a long process, but I think something excites me, starting something new. Maybe a new beginning, finding like who I am outside of like my family, I guess.
Yeah, I think for what excites me is to have you meet new people and get a new perspective on things, right? To learn different perspectives.
It smells good.
It does smell delicious, doesn't it?
Do you have any of those concerns thinking about the college process?
Yeah, I mean, I think something that's so big about it, not only are you like doing this on your own or, you know, about to leave on your own, it's like my family is really, really important to me. And being away from them is definitely going to be hard. And as well as they're on this journey, I have to make a lot of decisions for myself and how I write my college essays or how I, you know, figure out where I want to go or make a decision. It's really just like kind of scary.
It's brand new. It's new territory, right? You've never had to do that before.
Because my mom always makes the decisions.
That's not true. We make them together. But I'll take the credit. They've been good. I kind of am excited too about seeing how you choose where you want to go, what really is important to you. I think that sometimes when not forced, a lot of things feel good, but when it comes right down to it, you might find out new things about yourself. Do you both agree on where to go to school?
I don't know. I think if I were to agree on some place, you would definitely back me up.
Yeah, I think that we probably have similar expectations for you. And I would certainly consider anything that you wanted, but we'd have to talk about it if we disagreed and come up with a plan. But I think that we both agree. I think that probably some of the biggest factors are for me to feel as though it really does fit your personality.
My best interest.
Your best interest, and the price is probably a big deal.
Pour me some chicken broth. To the pan?
I have no idea.
To the pan?
Yeah, well, let's put it down.
Boston. Boston is where I would like to go.
As well as New York.
Or yes,
New York has
New
always
York.
been on a top priority as well, right?
Yeah. I hope to achieve in college, maybe to achieve something greater, like maybe something that not only is my passion, but giving something back. Working with kids in musical theater or other things that I'm able to give back a little bit more.
You've always loved to give back. You're so passionate about kids, and I don't know what I'm doing. Do you hope that your college education will give you
I hope it
options?
opens doors for me, for
Opens
sure.
doors for you. When it comes to college, what do people talk about that you don't know much about?
Moving into college.
Moving into college. Does that seem scary?
Yeah.
You know what I'm surprised to hear about when you talk about moving into college? I hear that a lot of kids, boys and girls, take their stuffies with them.
Oh, they'll be coming with me. I mean, I think that definitely being away is a little bit harder just because you don't live with the person anymore, you don't see them as often, but I don't think it'll change. I think I'll probably text and call her 10 times a day until she's fed up with me.
I think it'll be really fun. We'll plan fun things when you do come home.
Sleepovers.
Okay. What does it say? Oh, you're right. Put it in. What do you feel least confident about when it comes to school?
My decision, I guess. That's
Decision on the college that you chose?
decision
or-
on college, decision on leaving home, decision on like you second guess a lot when you're trying to pick a school, like you don't,
Yep.
it's hard because you don't know until you get there, so.
So I feel least confident about my reaction when she's gone, how I'm gonna feel at home without her. I know that Nina's gonna thrive, so I'm quite confident in her. And she makes good decisions, and I think we talk about things enough.
I'll never be alone.
It's yeah, just the leaving is probably my.
I'll never leave you.
I know. I know.
How's it smelling?
It smells really good. I'm gonna eat it right now.
Stir and cook. Done. What do you feel most confident about when it comes to school?
Making new friends.
Yeah.
I know that I will definitely put myself out there and it will be easy, hopefully. Yeah.
Well, I think it will be easy for you. I really do.
Are there things that you wish people would shut up about when it comes to talking about college?
Yeah. College roommates and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Like sometimes it just feels like less important and it's like, give me something I can really like research about it, you know?
Yeah, it feels like sometimes kids they complain a lot about little things that don't really matter.
Yeah.
And they don't have a lot of resilience when it comes to learning to be with other people.
And
but it's a good lesson to think about, you know,
Yeah.
right? How to choose that roommate and how to get along and what things to let bother you and what be able to look at the bigger picture and not. Personally, I don't like hearing about all the parties. I feel like I think kids forget to talk about the academics and what they're really learning and what their passion is. Try to be maybe a little bit cool or something and to talk a little bit more about that than maybe is necessary. So I think for me, I think I would like to be able to respect you no matter where you go, whether you're close by or not, and treat you the same. I trust you. Yeah. Never just show up. Always call.
It's okay. Oh, that looks so good. I sacrifice olives.
Do you think college is necessary?
For me, yes, I think it's necessary. I feel as if it's just something that I've watched so many people that I look up to do, and they've gotten so many opportunities, and I want some of those opportunities for myself and to kind of grow up in a sense.
It feels like a safe place to grow up too,
Yeah.
doesn't it? Kind of not only your parents, but other people there to kind of help guide you. I think some of the schools that we've been looking at, they seem to have a nice community of people
Yeah.
that do that. That's important for me. I don't think it's 100% necessary, but I think it is necessary for some people. All in all, I would say nice college education doesn't do anybody any harm. There's a lot to think about when it comes to picking a school. What's most important to you and what do you want to accomplish?
Something that's important to me is probably figuring out location and
Second might be
happiness.
which you'll be happy when you're there dancing your heart away. And the money, how much it costs, right? Just so try to balance and get, is the lowest price the best price, maybe? Allowing you to
Flourish like a flower.
Well, I don't think we're ready for the next step as far as cooking is concerned. Question is, have you thought about scholarships?
Me? No, I have not. I've eavesdropped on conversations you've had. But I don't think we've actually
Well, we've talked a little bit. Remember the song that you wrote, and I said that we need to get
musical scholarships.
Yeah, we need to get
for sure.
that.
I think it's
a
like
nice recording.
sprinkled in
Yeah.
here and there.
And those kind of things will help you to get a merit scholarship at school, I believe. What other kinds of things do you think that you could do to help you to get a scholarship?
If I'm working hard enough and I have passion in school, which is very crucial.
Let's add the garlic. Let's add that. Yeah, so do you think that your dancing and making a portfolio might help you to get some scholarship, Nina?
Oh, yeah, 100%.
And what kind of things would you like to put in your portfolio?
Probably songs I write. The skills that I have to get a scholarship like that would be like my musical theater dancing or, my singing.
And the volunteer work that you do maybe might also be something that could help you to get a scholarship?
Oh yeah.
Working at the church, volunteer work that we did in Guatemala, and how that's kind of a passion.
Building my rep.
Yeah, I think that's supposed to go in there too.
No, we did.
Did we-
All of it?
I think so.
Did you guys forget something?
I think we did, yeah. We just got to put a little seasoning in, but we got it.
What are sort of the more fun college things you're looking forward to related to campus life and the things that you can do once you get to college?
I love living alone. I can't wait to get to live with someone new, and that's kind of turns into hopefully a friendship. As much as I'll miss my mother, kind of getting away and being able to grow up, I guess, kind of become my own person, maybe more of an adult for
So
sure.
some independence is what you're looking for
independence.
too? That makes sense.
We're going for hot, or hot.
That's probably good. Yeah, last card, Nina. I think we get to eat soon. So, how do you feel now about college planning process and making a mystery meal together?
I feel mysterious. I definitely feel a little bit better. I think we got some stuff out in the open that, is starting our conversation and gonna help me get through picking out a college and having more conversations like these.
Yeah, I think it was great. It was a nice way to do it, right? Because we enjoy cooking, and so it was nice and easy to be together and talk about some subjects we haven't talked about yet.
Let them eat.
Okay, let's do it. Let's see how we did. So neat. What did we make? Ooh, pollo guisado, or chicken stew. Kids at school won't get something as good as this unless you make it for them. Oh my God, that looks so good. I think we did a good job.
Oh, that smells really good. Smell it.
Oh my gosh.
College is like a loaf of bread. It's yummy.
It's yummy. It's mysterious surprises inside. Maybe there'll be one. Ready?
Yeah.
We're good. We did a great job.
There are new things to talk about, definitely new doors that have opened for the conversation. There are different aspects that, we should look into, and a few different things that I didn't know that I have to ask about. So now I understand from both views.
Parties. Parties and money. I think that we covered everything that we know enough to talk about. As I said, I think that we'll be learning as we go, and new subjects will probably come up. Thank you for talking with me. You are easy to talk with, and I appreciate that.
Thanks for being on this crazy journey with me, and for making food with me.
Food is delicious. Yellow hands.
Oh, okay.